and it's really cold.
These are my glasses on my head.
Welcome back to the DKCN Circus. Hey guys, welcome back to the DKCN Circus. So sorry we didn't vlog this morning. It was because it was like I had to film my Q&A video, and we thought that that was gonna be for my channel, right? It didn't work that well, but so right now, I don't know if you guys can tell, right there, it is 3 almost 45, so 3:40, 3:42 probably. And guys, take a look outside. It's super crazy. It ended up snowing, which is so weird. And right now, I'm at my girlfriend's house. So, Mr. Oliver. Here he is. Hi, Mr. Oliver. Are you gonna lay down? So cute. Now, we are headed out, and we're headed to our Christmas 2.0.
Natasha, take your coat and, well, don't take your coat. Kind of see if you can.
Because of the window. Oh my gosh, why am I using a hand? Not the smartest decision. Ah. Not fun. So cold. Yeah. So we're going to our Christmas party 2.0. And I actually had a set call. Oh, that kind of helps some get off. Oh. We're slamming the doors really hard so the snow will pop up. I had a set call too for watching that. So that was exciting, and yeah. All right, guys, you know how, sorry, I'm wearing a Santa hat, but you know how I said it was snowing? Now look. Is a snowstorm. Right now I'm going in my mom's car to try to get the tripod. And oh my gosh, this is thick. This is thick snow. And the car's locked. Great. Oh my gosh, it's thick. It's in my shoe. Let me show you. Once again, see, it doesn't look thick. Why won't it focus? Is it so white that I won't focus? There. And oh my gosh, it is so cold. So I'm skirting along back inside. It is just too cold for me. We got our Christmas gifts too. I'll show you. And I got some of these. With these. Oh my god. I'm going to do slime. Oh, it's blurry. Slime. I got blue, and then I got that. And I just found glasses, but I did not get the tripod, which you should get, but I didn't. So we're going back outside, and to be honest, we did not vlog because it's a fire. Fam was over. Family was over. So okay. So we didn't vlog.
So you can come.
Alright. I have to give Dave his glasses. So here.
I can take Tasha and Sawyer. So Sawyer's
Here you go.
Sitting out in the lobby by himself.
These are your glasses. You're
David.
welcome. Very much so. And it's really cold.
These are my glasses on my head.
Oh, I'll take those back inside then.
Have Sawyer come out because we gotta go.
So, yeah, now we're going and doing a quick check, just asking. Mom, are we going? Yeah. Alrighty, we're going. We're getting ready to go. It's fun. Still snowing. Just getting ready to head on out. I just need the tripod. It's up
Back there in Dave's car.
Wait, what? My tripod! Well, the tripod, I'm just not gonna try. The tripod's in the back with all the stuff. And that's crazy. Snow blizzard. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite part of your day and your favorite part of our vlog. We'll see you guys next time.